Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mini popsicles updated. Gather small molds, popsicle sticks, a blender, and your choice of juices, yogurt, or purees. Start by tasting and adjusting sweetness, then fill molds leaving a little room for expansion. Freeze on a level surface for faster results, and run molds under warm water briefly to release popsicles cleanly. Enjoy easy, homemade treats with minimal fuss and big smiles. Choose a base like juice, yogurt, or puree and taste before freezing because flavors concentrate in ice. For creamy popsicles, blend yogurt with mashed banana or avocado for smooth texture. Stir in small fruit bits or chocolate chips to add interest without clogging the mold openings. Avoid over-thinning with water. Thicker mixtures freeze with better consistency and release more easily from molds when briefly warmed. Hey friends, if this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making easy recipes. Quick recommendation. Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for fresh-smelling cars after shopping for popsicle ingredients, and it makes driving with sticky hands less awkward. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Place filled molds on a flat tray and refrigerate freeze undisturbed for several hours until solid. For centered sticks, freeze until slushy, insert sticks, then finish freezing fully for neat results. To remove, run the underside of the mold under warm water briefly and gently pull to release popsicles cleanly. Store extras in an airtight container to prevent freezer burn and keep popsicles tasting fresh for future snacking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.